Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Rebecca Calmoren. I'm 45 years old and I'm a Filipino. I am a mother of four. My work experience is in Singapore. I almost working there for almost 3 years. Finished contract. My duties as a nanny and cooking and also cleaning. In Turkey, I working in Izmir for almost 2 years, finished contract. My duty is taking care of the baby and cleaning and also cooking. In Ankara, Turkey, I working for almost 4 years in one employer. My duty as a nanny. And also in Istanbul, Turkey, I also working as a nanny in almost 2 years. And now I'm looking for a job. I am patient, determined, hardworking, trustworthy. Mom and Sir, if you're gonna hire me, I will be that one. Thank you so much and I hope to see you soon.